Hello and welcome to this updated video of the plugin, that's the OpenCart hotel booking system plugin. And today we'll be checking out how the customers would be able to search for the hotels and how they can place the order, how they can check the details as well. Apart from that, we'll also be showing you how the customers can check the host details, like the host profile, the reviews for the same, and much more. So this is the updated video for the same, and we'll be continuing to create other ones as well. So today we'll just check the customer workflow at the storefront. So as you can see, I'm at the home page right now, and here at the top you can see that the customers can search the hotels and rooms by entering the hotel name, the date from, and the checkout date has to be selected. Then choose the guest according to the required ones, and then they have to just tap here in the search button, and that basically searches the nearest hotels for the customers. Apart from that, you can see that customers can see the popular hotels being listed. We can check the profiles of all of these hotels as well. We can check the different amenities that they are basically providing within their hotels. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. And if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. Now, for example, in case a user has not created his account on the hotel booking management system here, then he'll have to navigate to my account, and just let me log off from my current customer account, and let's go back to the home page. So the customers can log in from the account option here. They can register by tapping in the register button. Even a customer can ask to become a host, and for that he'll have to first register as a customer, and then he'll be able to tap here the list your hotel button, and then after the approval by the admin, the user who has now become a host can create or list up his hotels as required. Now for login, you'll have to just tap here on the login button. We can search the hotels even without logging in, but to place the order we'll have to be logged into our account there. So here you can see that we are on one of the hotels here. Now first of all, let's see how a customer would be able to search the nearest hotel, and then we'll be checking out the rest of the details as well. So here I've entered here the customers can search a hotel by the hotel's name or the address. So here I'll be entering one of the addresses or the name of the hotel, that's the Cloud Hotel, and you can see that it's populated here, Cloud Hotel, Paris, France. So I'll check that up. Then we'll be choosing the check-in date and the checkout dates. Okay, and then under the guests, you can choose whether how many adults are there, any children that are below 12 years, how many rooms do you want, and then you'll have to tap here in the search button to filter the results according to your location there. And then you'll be able to see the complete list of available hotels there, along with a beautiful Google map. So on the left hand side, you'll be able to search or filter the rooms or the hotels basically using the location, the check-in and the checkout times. You can also filter out according to the price range, and you also have the options to search the hotels using the fixed amenities. So from here you'll be able to check any of the amenities that you're looking out for in a hotel. And we also have the option amenities here that can be chosen by the customer. So after the customer has for example chosen Cloud Hotel, Paris, France, now the hotel has been displayed here for the customer, and here you can see that hurry up, one type of room only has been left. Now let's tap here on the view details, and this will bring up the complete details of the hotel itself. So here is the name of the hotel, the address, the average rating of the same. The customers can also contact the host after making a booking by tapping here on the contact host option. Then enter the subject, choose the hotel that you've booked there. So I'll just choose it as, for example, Queen's Lodge Hotel, and then from the drop down we'll able to choose the room type that you've booked. Then you can choose the booking from and to date, and you can ask a question by entering the details here and then tapping on the send button. Now apart from that, on the profile page of the host, you can see we have the room types. So if I scroll down, we have the room types as luxurious room, non-AC executive room with breakfast, superior room with breakfast, comfort room. And here in the map we can see the location of this particular hotel itself. So on the profile page of the respective hotel, you can see the reviews on the map and the hotel policy as well. So if you tap here on the reviews, we'll be redirected to the reviews page for this particular hotel, and it will auto redirect us to that particular section. So you can see the hotel reviews are visible now, so customers can check the reviews as well. To check the exact location of this particular hotel, you can tap on the map, and then we'll be showing the exact location of this hotel on the Google Maps itself, as you can see right now. Apart from that, the customers can check the hotel policy on the profile page of the host or the hotelier, and we'll just be redirected to that particular section. So here we have the hotel policies as required. Now here we have the room types, and you can see that we also have the options to choose the amenities here. So for example, this is the dinner amenity, and the amount is plus $5, extra bed plus $5, room service plus $5. Now you can create the amenities as well and add the price to it. So as right now I'm just showing you the customers flow, how you can purchase the particular hotel after searching the same. Now if you want to search or filter out the room types using the check-in check-out date, the number of rooms that you require, the adults in the same, the child in the same, then you need to fill in the details here by choosing the details respectively. For example, you can make it as 2 room, 2 adult, 0 child, and tap here in the search rooms. So if any of the rooms are available, those would then be displayed and the customer can make a purchase of the booking there. So for example, let's go for this luxurious room. It has 3 amenities and it's for $155. But before that, for the luxurious room, you can also check the details of this room itself. That's the description for the same. Under the includes, you can check the room amenities that are available, as you can see right now. And under the reviews, you can check this particular room type for the hotel, and you can see basically give a review for this one as well, that can then be chosen or seen by the rest of the customers. Now you can see, so after searching the hotels according to the check-in check-out date for the room type here, after you searched, the available room type should be visible to the customer. And for example, we have these amenities and you want to have these amenities as well. And if I go to more details, we have the different room amenities that are available. So these are the additional ones. We can choose them up by just tapping on them, and then we can tap here on the book now button, and the particular booking product has been added to the cart. So right now you can see your bookings. We have one product in that. So here's the luxurious room, and extra amenities are dinner, extra bed, and the room service. The name of the hotel is Queen's Lodge Hotel. 1 adult, 1 child. The unit price, we can also update the rooms, like we can make it as 2 as well. The check-in and the check-out dates along with the total. So right now I've made it as 2 and the total is 1020. Now let's proceed further to place the order, and then we'll check the order history to see the details there. So here the customers can at the time of checkout use an existing address that they've already saved, or can make use of a new address as well. To make a new one, just tap here on this checkbox and then enter the details. Otherwise, if you want to make use of any address that is already created, you can choose that and then tap here on the continue button. Lastly, you'll have to choose the preferred payment mode for this particular order. So I've chosen bank transfer. We'll just choose the terms and conditions. We'll check that up and tap here on the continue button thereafter. And before confirming the order, the hotel booking order here, you can check the amenities that you have purchased, the name of the hotel, the total people, number of rooms that you have chosen, the check-in date, check-out date, price per room, and the total as well. And lastly, you'll have to tap here in the confirm order button. Now, if you're making an online payment there, then you'll be able to find the invoice at that very moment by going to the history and checking your particular order that you've placed. So you can see that it's complete right now, and here are the details of the hotel. For the extra amenities, we have dinner, extra bed, room service for 3 nights, rate per night, check-in, check-out date, 1 adult, 1 child, and the amount that we have paid along with the hotel's name. So that's how a customer can place the order and can check very easily the details of the hotel booking that he has made. And that was much how a customer can make use of the hotel booking management system by registering himself, or if he already has an account, he can log on to his account first. Then he can go to the home page, or the home page is first displayed, and from here he can choose the hotel, the check-in check-out time, choose the guest, and tap here in the search, and that will bring up the complete list of available hotels according to the chosen location. Now here you can enter the any name of any location, and if within that we are having any hotels according to the chosen date, then those hotels would be available for the customers to choose. And thereafter the customer can choose the respective hotel, can check the different room types that each of these hotels are having, like the room types that they are having. He can choose the amenities very easily, the ones that he want to have. Can book directly by tapping here on the book button, can check the reviews for that particular hotel room, can also see what is included in the amount there for the room amenities, and very easily it can be placed. Now after the order has been like proceeded by the what we say as the host, at that time an invoice would also be visible to the customer for the order history, and from there he can very easily download the same for his reference. So that was much about the customer's workflow for the OpenCart hotel booking management system. And in the coming videos, we'll be showing you how the vendors would be, or the host would be able to create a host account, how they can list their hotels. And let me give you a gist about that, a small gist. So if I tap here on the list your hotel button, because I've already been approved as a host, so now you can see this is the customer section, and this is the host one. So from here you can set up your profile, check the dashboard transaction, you can create hotels, rooms, you can set up the fixed facilities, optional facilities, you can check the hotel reviews, you can also find the complete list of bookings that have been made for your rooms. You can ask queries as well, or you can ask anything that you want to ask to the store admin. So in the coming video, we'll just check that as well, the vendors end, then how they can create the complete management, they can manage the orders as well, and lastly the admins as well. So for now, that was much, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same, and how we can search the hotels very easily from the storefront of the OpenCart platform-based web store. And if you like the video, kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.